Hello, you are welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to wire a manual start auto stop control circuit for induction motor. In this configuration, when I press on the start button, the contactor and the timer would energize. Therefore, the motor will begin to operate. After a preset time delay, the motor would stop without you pressing on the stop button. Let's operate. So let's look at the circuit diagram and do the wiring. This is the circuit diagram. We wired the normally closed contact on the timer in series with the stop button, in series with the start button, and then to the contactor coil A1. This is normally open contact or hold on this K1. We wired it in parallel with the start button, and we tapped from the joint or the 14 to A1 or terminal 7 on the timer. When we press on the start button, the contactor will energize. When it energizes, this contact will close to provide a hold on for the contactor. When it closes, current will flow through to energize the timer. The timer will therefore start counting. After the preset time, this normally closed contact on the timer, it will open. Then both the contactor and the timer will de-energize. As the timer is de-energized, this contact will close back again. Therefore, we would have a close contact. So when we press on the start button again, the contactor would energize again in that order. Let's do the wiring. This is our contactor, the timer sockets, the timer coil itself, stop and start buttons. From the live, it goes to the normally closed contact on the timer. That is terminal number 8. This is terminal number 8. From the terminal number 5 on the normally closed contact of the timer, it goes to terminal number 1 on the stop button, terminal number 5. The stop button 1. From the 2 on the stop button, it goes to 3 on the start button. From the 4 on the start button. Now let's wire the normally open contact on the K1 in parallel with the start button. 3 will go to 13. This is 13. From 4 to 14. This is 14. We would tap from the 14 on the contactor to A1 or terminal number 7 on the timer. Terminal number 7 on the timer. We will join the neutrals together. From the main neutral, it goes to the A2 on the contactor. You tap from there to A2 or terminal number 2 on the timer. This is the main neutral. We have joined it. We connect it at the A2 on the contactor. Then from A2 on the contactor to timer A2 or terminal number 2. This is terminal number 2. We are done with the wiring. Let's plug in the timer coil. Now we are done with the whole wiring. We are going to operate the circuit. When I press on the start button, the contactor and the timer, they would energize and then the motor would operate. After the preset time delay, the contactor would de-energize and the motor will stop until I press on the start button again, there is no way the motor would operate. Let on the main breaker. The contactor is energized. The timer is energized. When I press the start button, I can equally press on the stop button to stop it. When we want a particular motor or a machine to operate for some time, this is the circuit we give to it. When we press on the start button to start the machine will be in operation for some time. Then it will go off by itself without the intervention of anyone. The same like this one. I'll urge you to go over again and watch the video if you could not understand. Kindly like the video, put down your comment, share the video to your friends, and subscribe to the channel to get more videos. I'll see you in my next tutorials. Thank you.